This video is about how our old family house went from looking like this to looking like this. It was my parents' house that I grew up in from the age of 6. We advertised the house through an estate agent to potential developers. The property is set on approximately 1/4 of an acre, and this was the main selling point where they can then build on the land. As you can see, the garden is very big, but the whole house is in need of total refurbishment. These are the floor plans. The house sold quite quickly to a local developer, so now it's time to clear out the house and take all the furniture out. We need to clear out all these personal items as a developer wants to have access to the property. That's the kitchen cleared, and upstairs is all cleared. We've taken out all the stuff out the loft and taken the items downstairs just to sort this all out. That's the house all cleared now. Right, now it's time to clear out the garage. Great, that's all done. The developers have cleared the garden and taken out the shrubs and the bushes to maximise the garden area. The large trees have also been chopped down. Some of the floors have been levelled with concrete and screed, as some of the floors were uneven. The floors have been covered up with carpet to protect them. The house is now clear and ready for further development. Plans have been submitted to the local planning office to develop the house. This includes a loft conversion and rebuilding the left wall of the house to a vertical position to maximise the space in the master bedroom to create an ensuite with an extra window on the front. They started by taking out the windows and taking out the vertical course of bricks at the bottom of the windows to create a larger window opening. The back porch area has been taken down and the work to the rear extension has started. This area is going to have a bay window and the whole house will be reconfigured. This is the current configuration, and then this is the proposed configuration with the extension to the rear, and this is where the bay window will go on these plans. You can also see where the proposed loft conversion and single storey extension will go. This is the old kitchen area, and this is then looking through to the old lounge area. This is where the new utility area will be, where the old dining room was. The chimney breast has been taken out. Access to the old kitchen area has been blocked off and the door has been moved to make way for a larger downstairs cloakroom. And then upstairs is looking totally different. All the ceilings have been removed and everything has been reconfigured with new stud work to make way for the staircase going up to the new loft conversion. This angle is looking from the bathroom. It looks like this cupboard is staying to house the new boiler. This room was my old bedroom, which then my dad used as his office. This is now looking through into the bathroom. The beams are exposed here temporarily to support the house while the single storey extension is being built. These bigger windows are going to have a much better view of the outside and will bring in extra light. This is looking out of the bedroom window to where the new bungalow is going to be built. It's going to be here at the top half of the garden. The site is looking quite big, but also quite messy at this stage. You can see here where the garage and the old back porch has been knocked down. This is what it used to look like, and this is it now. Now there's loads of scaffolding up, and they've taken down the old rendering from the outside. It's also been extended to the left, and you can just see a new small window upstairs on the left. The blockwork and the frame for the back bay window has now been done. This angle is looking in through the new bay window into the old kitchen area. It's going to be reconfigured to a snug room. These are the plans. The new single storey extension has now been done and has been plastered. This is all the flooring and the underfloor heating that is ready to be installed. The bifold doors are looking pretty good, and then now you can see the loft conversion dormer windows. It's all coming together. The foundation for the new chalet style bungalow has been done. It's all now taking shape. Just a reminder, this is what the house used to look like, and this is what it looks like now. The outside of the house has now been rendered and painted white. All the windows have been replaced and the roof tiles have been refurbished. The chimney has gone and the left wall is totally vertical. This is what the hallway used to look like, and this is what it looks like now, with the new downstairs cloakroom totally refurbished. And then now upstairs, the old bathroom used to look like this, and now it looks much lighter and brighter and refurbished to a very high standard. The whole house is looking amazing. This is the old master bedroom. This is what it used to look like. And now it's got fitted wardrobes and an ensuite. This is looking out of the new window that has been added. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. The larger front windows also bring in maximum light. Now to go upstairs to the new loft area. The staircase is quite narrow and then it opens out into a large loft area. This is now the amazing view you can see from the loft room, and you can see the chalet bungalow is currently being built. This is the ensuite for the loft area. It's like its own self-contained section of the house. Okay, back downstairs, onto the first floor, and then into my old bedroom, which looked like this, and now looks like this, with built-in wardrobes. It overlooks a new single-story extension with a nice new roof light, and this is what it looks like inside. It essentially was the old lounge area, but it's now a kitchen diner. This is what the view used to look like, and this is what it looks like now through the new large bifold doors. This is the old dining room at the corner of the house, which now looks like this, a new utility area. This was the old kitchen area, which is now a nice big snug room with a bay window. This is the partially built bungalow. It's going up quite quickly, and then this is looking back onto the main house. It still needs a front porch and the driveway and outside area done. I'll come back in a couple of months' time and have a look to see how it's being developed further. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more videos.